From the royal charisma of Jaipur to the imperial elegance of London, from the cosmopolitan buzz of New York to the colorful vibe of Rio, Luminous brings the trendiest designs from across the globe right into your living space with its signature collection. The signature collection of fans seamlessly blends premium design finesse and meticulous craftsmanship with trends that underline cities across the globe. The pink city of Jaipur amazes with its royal and architectural charm. The forts and monuments of the city transport the senses into a world of royal culture and heritage. With its Jaipur collection of fans, Luminous does exactly that by allowing you to soak in an era of royalty and opulence, with designs radiating the majestic and colorful aura of Jaipur. Known for its frantic pace, the New York City is a melting pot of different cultures, styles, and trends. Home to some of the most magnificent buildings, neighborhoods, monuments, and skyscrapers, New York is a city that never ceases to amaze. This cosmopolitan vibe of New York comes alive as the glitz meets the minimalistic to serve a rare design with the New York collection of fans. The Art Deco-inspired ceiling murals of the Empire State Building serve as an inspiration behind this collection, with clean lines and modern styles designed to give your home the upmarket treatment. The City of London is a beautiful amalgamation of heritage and modernity. A city that speaks of a regal era through its regal and imposing imperial architecture and design. This imperial legacy of London is reflected through subtle and sophisticated designs in the London collection of Luminous fans, which is inspired by the stately design and English prestige. A city that is always bursting with colors, carnivals, and life, Rio is a feast for the senses. With a scenic architecture providing a perfect backdrop to all the festivities, Rio's streets are a canvas with an eclectic spread of color splashed all around. This vibrancy and free-spirited enthusiasm of this magical city oozes in the Rio collection of fans that are carefully designed to brighten any room. Now your living space will carry a mark of your personality, with fans that bring the world to your home and designs that carry your signature.